Hello everyone, my name is Kasamila Putri from the Management Study Program with MPM 2441142 Management Class E. Today I will review material analyzing customer market and business market. Introduction. Understanding market behavior is one of the most essential parts of marketing management. There are two major types of market, the consumer market and the business market. Each has different purposes, motivation, and buying process. By analyzing both, companies can understand what their purchasing behavior and design more effective marketing strategy to meet customer needs. Definition of consumer market. A consumer market consists of individuals and households that purchase goods and services for personal use or consumption. Consumer buy products not for resale but to satisfy their own wants and needs. For example, people buy food, clothing, cosmetic, or smartphone for daily use. Standing consumer market helps markets understand what people buy, why they buy, and how they make decisions. Factor influencing consumer behavior. Consumer decisions are influenced by several factors: cultural factor, social factor, personal factor, psychological factor. For example, a student might choose a laptop based on price and design, while a business person focuses on quality and performance. Consumer buying decision process. Need recognition, information search, evaluation of alternative, purchase decision, post-purchase evaluation. Markets can influence consumer choices by understanding and supporting each stage of this process. Importance of analyzing consumer market. Analyzing consumer market helps companies identify and understand their target consumer, recognize chasing preference, and buy patterns, create products that truly meet customer expectations, build stronger brand loyalty, and start. Definition of business market. A business market is a market where organization places goods and services for use in production, research, or daily operation. Unlike consumer business, make decisions based on logic and financial consideration rather than emotion. Examples include manufacturers buying raw materials, wholesalers purchasing goods for resale, or government offices buying equipment. Characteristics of business market. There are fair buyers but is based in large quantities. Buyer-seller relations are often long-term, and cooperative demand in business market is different from consumer demand. The buying process is formal and involves multiple decision makers. The business buying process. Recognizing organizational needs, defining product specification and requirements, searching for potential suppliers, evaluating proposal and terms, selecting the best supplier, financing the process, agreement and delivery schedule, reviewing supplier performance. Factor affecting business buying decision. Environmental factor, organizational factor, interpersonal factor, individual factor. Markets must understand these factors to communicate effectively with business clients. Differences between consumer and business market. Consumer market focus on satisfying individual and emotional needs. Business market emphasizes rational decision making, efficiency, and long-term result. consumers buy for personal use, business buy for production or professional performance. Solution analyze both consumer and business market is essential to understand how different types of work make decisions. Consumer market focus on personal satisfaction, while business market prioritize productivity and profitability. By understanding both sides, market can set target strategy, build stronger relations, and gain a sustainable competitive advance in the market. Thank you.